we have a 370Z headlight. We're gonna show you guys how to black out the housing. So, not the lens, but the inside of it, all the chrome parts. So, first step, obviously, take off your bumper and then remove the headlight.
Alright guys, big day for the Z. Brian's changing the
Rear differential bushing.
rear differential bushings. Thought it was gonna be a hard drop, but Brian says that he got it. You got it or what?
Yeah. I can do anything.
Meanwhile, I'm gonna take off the front bumper for the first time. We're gonna redo the headlights. So it should be dope. Yeah. Really helps to have one of these. But if you don't, you can just use like a flathead or something. So after you get rid of the two 10s on the side and then the clips up top, like 8 more 10s under.
What are you doing, nigga? Got it? Yeah. There you go. Air it out.
Got the bumper off, now we're taking off the headlights.
I'm gonna do the... That's only 3 bolts, looks like. Okay, there's 4. There's one under this. Alright, so here we have a 370Z headlight. We're gonna show you guys how to black out the housing. So, not the lens, but the inside of it, all the chrome parts. So, first step, obviously, take off your bumper and then remove the headlight. We have the headlight and everything we disassembled from here. So, you should honestly have a bare headlight, no bulbs or anything, no wires, except for this one in here. Green with the white stripe and the black wire. That's about it. But other than that, everything should be taken out. I think it's the HID ballast right here. The little mount that goes under the headlight. This is the cap that goes right here. And then disassembled all the bulbs. And then this is for the HID. I don't even know where the light is. Where is the light?
It's over there on the mat.
Okay, yeah, it's for this light. So you want to be careful with this one because it has a little stick right there that can break. Don't ask if I know. We're gonna go on to this headlight and I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, yeah, so it went right there. There's these 3, came off, boom. Okay. Make sure you put your headlights on something that's not gonna scratch the lens. If you scratch the lens, you're gonna have a hard time polishing them. We're gonna start unscrewing this.
So, Brian.
So this is the ballast we're removing right here. If yours doesn't come off, just pry it off. You can bake it. Okay, so keep track of all your screws. I've already done this enough times to know where each screw goes. There's a little tab right there we're gonna push in. Boom, got that. Okay. I don't know if you guys could see in here, but there's 2 little tabs in here. They look like paper clips. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push them down and then slide them around the little hook that they're on. Give this a twist. It pops out. That comes out. And then we got the bulb and all the wires as well. We don't want anything to melt or cause damage to anything. So boom. It's a blinker, I think. Now there's a little rubber grommet right here. We're gonna use a little flathead to pop that out. All right, so we're leaving the green and white with the black wire right here. And then we're gonna slowly fish all these wires through. Okay, so over here, there's gonna be a little wire right there. I use a little flathead to pop the tab up. And then just pull the wire. Boom. I'm trying to fish out this last wire. It's kind of caught up inside of the headlight.
There we go.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. So this one, I just got in here and forced it forward. This slides forward. So boom, we got that wire out. There should be everything, right? So now once we got all those bulbs and screws out, there's gonna be about 6 screws around the housing. So 1, 2, keeps his tools clean. 3, 4, 5. Looks like there's 5 only. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna remove this tiny little bracket. Probably doesn't do anything, but I've done it every time, so. Boom. Alright, that's how you disassemble it. Okay, so now we have the headlight. Obviously we can't separate it yet. There's still some butyl that runs down this little channel right here, and it seals the headlight together. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw this headlight in the oven at 300 degrees for about 12 minutes. Just enough to get to soften the glue. And then once we're done, we're gonna pull out the headlight. Just be careful because it's hot. We'll start to pry apart all the seams and separate our housing.
What? Alright guys, it just baked in the oven for 10 minutes on 300 degrees.
Now that the glue's separated, this is a little bit easier to pry. Take your time prying. It's gonna take a while no matter what. Don't worry about the glue getting cold. It stays hot for a while. But we're just gonna slowly pry around the edges. You could use a flathead or anything. Just as long as you don't damage the...
Did you lower the Subi more?
I slammed it.
You did, huh?
Right.
Sorry.
You already missed it.
What? Oh, fuck. Damn, I fucked up.
I'm not prying like crazy hard, but I'm prying, you know, hard enough. I don't think you'll break the lens or anything.
Shit.
I'm not prying that hard. We don't want to make a mess with the glue that we're separating, so like this, we're just gonna like tuck it away, kind of. Careful, it's hot. All of a sudden, everyone's running the hype, huh? Baking headlights. Now that we have it all apart, there's gonna be a number of screws all around. Don't mix them up. And then the whole headlight should separate. I don't know. Alright, it's all out.
Yes. Alright, so we opened up the headlight. Here's the glass. We took this out. We're gonna keep this silver. We're just gonna paint the housing black. Oh yeah. Fuck.
There's 3.
Alright.
2?
2, yeah.
Alright, 2.
And then how'd you get this one out?
Yeah, I kept it in there.
Alright. Show us.
Yeah, don't leave it amber. It looks ugly when you like black everything out and just leave that amber.
I thought you can make this clear, but let's just go black.
Yeah.
Just to go black, you can never go back.
The coat that everything sticks to, so
Light coats. Huh, Brian?
super light.
Oh yeah. It looks better already.
You gotta get closer, bro. You're not.
You gotta get farther
Dude,
away,
you
Nick.
got the light?
How we took everything apart, just put it back in order, basically.
Alright.
To reseal it, we're gonna have to put it in the oven for 6 minutes on 300 degrees. So yeah, guys.
Good shit.
Yep, we're almost done. I wish we could record in the day, but with our schedules, it's kind of tough.
Literally work opposite schedules. I feel like badass, dude. Look.
Oh yeah, this one looks hella clean. This is the one that I did, huh?
Fuck you. Actually, I did.
Nah. I told Brian we should keep the orange right here with a little chrome line. That's how most people do it, but he thought we should go all
I
black.
would have left this chrome.
That little part, or this long part.
Or like put an LED in it. I don't know.
It looks way better than how it was. Good shit, Bri. Alright, so I bought this shit off Amazon. It was like, what, 20 bucks? Comes with a little bit of paste too, so should be billing.
The clear coat's still good. It's just the lens is getting a little bit hazy and yellow.
So what should we go with?
So we're going with 3,000. If you had 1,500, I would go 1,500. They'll come out really nice. Chill out. Fuck you, I don't trust you.
What do you mean?
I don't trust you.
Coming out clean.
Ready for the moment of truth?
Yeah. This is hella dirty, but nah, you got COVID. That shit looks way better, bro.
Good.
Yeah, it's not even green no more. So these are the headlights in the day. Came out pretty clean. This is the one that I did, and this is the one that Brian did. Who did it better? Pretty clean. Yeah.
Said trade and all that. This is that. This is the
Pretty fucking dope. Let me know what you guys think of the headlights.